Hi. Hello. So, I have a cat, and this is her right here. This is my cat. She is super cute. I love her so much. And where I live, it gets pretty cold outside, and she's an outside cat. So, in order to keep her nice and warm outside, today I thought that I would make a little house for her. A little DIY action. Little boom, 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 boom. First things first, gotta get material, because how am I gonna build a house if I don't have anything to make it with, right? Let's go to Home Depot. Home Depot. Okay, so we just got out of Home Depot. There's a bug in my car. But we just got some supplies for the house. Got some 2x4s and we got some planks of wood back there. So for now, we got the supplies. So I will catch you back at the house. Alright, so the house is done for my cat, Relly. Okay, so it's done for her. She's all done. She has her house. I made it out of stuff. Okay, you can leave me now. Bye. She loves me, I swear. If you're trying to make like a cheap little house for your animal outside, it's the way to go. I went to Home Depot, like $50 in materials. It's not too bad. The tools my dad already had. And it wound up not too bad. I draped a little tarp over it, you know, so that the water won't really mess with it that much. And I wound up going to PetSmart and getting like some hamster bedding. And I stuffed that on the bottom and then put like, I had some extra carpet lying around from when we did our carpet a couple years ago. And I cut out a little square of that, put it right on top so that she could be comfy and stuff. And then I put a little food bowl. I put her food bowl in there with some water as well so she can like eat and drink. In case like storm me out, she's safe in there. Thanks for looking at my house. Thanks for watching me build the house. If you liked it, thank you. That's about all I got. Peace out, cats.